Welcome, here I've got Realme 6 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera gridlines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it gives us access to this button with settings from the right. And when we tap on this, we can open advanced camera settings. And as you can see, we have to slide down to the photo settings, and in the third position we have the grid. So by tapping on this button, we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines. So for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like. And let's go back to the camera view. As you can see, these are these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to this button in the right corner, tapping on the settings, and by tapping on this button we can turn it off like that. So as you can see, for now it's gone. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.